Technical setup. Your recording location is extremely important. The room you are in should, of course, be a quiet location. Let people in your household know you are recording so you can avoid interruptions and background noise. Avoid recording in a large room. It's a bad idea since there will be echo due to sound waves bouncing off of walls and hard surfaces. Record in a smaller room or even a closet. Even if the room has objects and uneven surfaces, this can help lessen and break up the sound wave bounce, minimizing echo that could come through in the voiceover. Even a small room that is completely empty will still get some echo in your recordings from hard surfaces. Pad the room. You'll see soundproof padding used in professional voiceover and music studios. This helps break up sound waves and reduce echo. When recording voiceover at home, you may not have that luxury, budget, or space for setting that up. But if possible, you can use comforters over hard surfaces or noise control acoustic foam. I use foam that came from a computer delivery, so something like this thickness can work. A good way to test the echo in a room is to clap your hands and listen to the echo it produces. Here's a picture of my setup so you can get an idea of what can work well for recording at home. I tried various areas in the house but found that my closet was the best spot. It may look strange, but it works. For my microphone, I use Audio-Technica ATR 2100 USB cardioid dynamic microphone, but there are many out there that can work. The cardioid pattern reduces the pickup of unwanted sounds from the sides and rear. So when you are shopping for a microphone, this type is best for voiceovers. Your microphone placement shouldn't be too far away or too close to your face when recording, as this will change the volume of the recording. Test it out and find the right distance that works for you and your setup.